super easy job, but for somebody that maybe has never done this, coolant reservoir is busted on a Chevy Sonic. It's got the Ecotech. Super simple job. You got one 10 millimeter, two 10 millimeter. You've got this spring clamp holding this supply hose on, or this return hose, and you've got this spring clamp to this top hose. So remove the two spring clamps, remove the two 10 millimeters. Once that spring clamp is back, what I can do now is tip it down and pull it off and hopefully lose the least amount of coolant possible. There we go. And to put a new one on is literally just the reverse. I'm going to take this new one, I'm going to zip them two 10 millimeters in there, and it's a little bit different shape, so not much. Well, I guess it is the same. And I'm going to put the coolant back in it, pressure test it, make sure it holds pressure, and we should be good to go.